Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope everyone is doing well. May Almighty Allah bless you all. Welcome to my YouTube channel Modern Decoration. First of all, I am very thankful to you for subscribing my channel and watching my all previous videos and for staying connected with me. In this channel, we create decoration ideas just for you and we upload videos every day. So stay connected with us and watch all our previous videos. Thank you. Like this video and subscribe my channel. So as you all know, different people have different choices and they like different types of decoration design ideas. In this channel, we upload different types of decoration ideas and designs. So in this video, you will see some beautiful, stunning and unique metal wall art designs for your home. So don't skip, watch this video till end. These designs are very fancy. I hope everyone will love these designs. So that's the end. I will be back with some stunning decoration ideas very soon. Share this video with your friends and lovely family members. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for new latest design and ideas. Thank you. Goodbye viewers. Take good care of yourself and family members. I hope we will meet again soon. Allah Hafiz.